Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a smooth transition in CapCut like this video right here. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to add all of our videos and images right here on our library, and we're going to use this image as our example. So I'm just going to add this to our track. And then the next thing that we're going to do is to adjust the image. So let's put this into 2 seconds. And then the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down right here until you see this mask right here. Just click it and then click this circle button. Once you see that, your video will look like this. So the next thing that we need to do is to click this invert or reverse button right here on the right screen. And if you click that, as you can see, we now have this kind of circle shape in our video. So let's adjust it into the eye of the picture that we're going to use, which is right here. And then the next thing that we need to do, once we do that, is to put this video on the overlay. And then what we're going to do next is to add the chroma key of this eye. So let's go to basic again and then click this position and size. So click this keyframe right here, which is located on the right screen. And once you click that, you will create a keyframe on your image right here. So what we're going to do now is to create the starting point of the image, which is right here. As you can see, this is the starting image. And then the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until the end. And then what we're going to do is to adjust this screen size until you can't see the eye anymore. So let me just put 1200% the scale. And then let me adjust the eye, and right there. As you can see, we now have created a transition. So let me put another 2 seconds right here, just now 4 seconds. And if we play the video, as you can see, we now created a transition for our eye. So the next thing that we need to do is to add the main video. So this is going to be the next video once the transition has happened. So that we're going to put this in this part right there, the video. So I'm just going to get a video from the CapCut library. So I'm just gonna go here. Let's look for a video. Let's use this video right here for our video as an example. So let's adjust this and it's look like that. And if we play the video, as you can see, if you're still not quite sure about this video yet, what we're going to do now is to adjust the video. So let me duplicate this video right here, and then let's remove this there. And now we have the eye. Let's put this into the start of our video. And then let's put this as 2-second video, as a 1-second video right there. And then let's put this in there. And as you can see, so the next thing that we need to do is to put this video right here. So what we're going to do is to add a freeze in the main video that we're going to use. So let's adjust this and like that. So let's play the video again. Let's adjust it. And as you can see, we now have almost created a video using a smooth eye transition using CapCut. So if we play the video again, right there. So let me adjust this. And if we play the video again, this is what it looks like. If you're still not sure about this video right here, then we can add more effects or video effects for our video. So that we can make it more good. So what we're going to do next is to add a video effect for our video. So let's just go here on the effects, and then let's look for a good effect for our video. So maybe let's add glitch effect. Glitch. Let's search glitch. Then let's see this one. Let's add this, and then let's put it right here. Like that. Then once it is now done, let's put here. And then if we play the video again, so as you can see, we now have added a video effect. So you can add more video effects if you want to make it look better. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to export our video. So let's just go here on the top right corner, click export, and then let's put this smooth eye transition. So let's put this the title, and then for the resolution, let's put it to 4K, and then let's put this frame rate to 60 FPS. And then after that, let's wait for it to finish. Click export. And as you can see, if we watch the video, we now have created a smooth transition for CapCut. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.